Hey guys, it's Miss Grier here with plant adaptations. If you watched the previous videos, we talked about plants and their parts as well as the things that they need to grow, like sun, water, air, and space, as well as time. Plants need water, sunlight, air, and space to grow and reproduce. Many plants have adapted or changed over time to better meet their needs and survive in their habitats. A habitat is a place where something grows and lives. Desert plants, like cacti, have adapted to survive in very hot temperatures with little water. Cacti store water in their stems. Their spines also provide a bit of shade to protect them against water loss and to scare off animals that might otherwise eat them. Grassland habitats get more water than deserts, but are still hot and dry for long periods of time. Many grasses grow deep roots to reach water far below ground level. Long, thin leaves allow less water to escape during dry spells. Grasses also grow from the bottom up, allowing them to more quickly recover from damage caused by fire or grazing animals. An extensive root system helps grassland plants survive fires and grazing by herbivores. Herbivores are those animals that eat only plants. Rainforests get so much rain that plants risk growing bacteria and fungi on leaves that are continuously wet. Many rainforest plants have waxy leaves and drip tips, which allow rain drops to run off quickly. Air plants, also called epiphytes, have adapted to grow without soil. They take in water from the air around them and often grow high up on trees, where they are able to take in more sunlight. Plants growing in shady habitats, such as forests, may struggle to find enough sunlight. Some grow large, flat leaves to take in as much light as possible. Other plants form vines to climb up towards the light or grow leaning in the direction of the sun. Some plants have even adapted to life in aquatic habitats, like lakes, ponds, and wetlands. These places often have air pockets that allow them to float. Many aquatic plants also have waxy leaves to repel water and flexible stems that bend easily in moving water. Plants that grow in cold habitats also have special adaptations. Tundra plants often grow very close to the ground, where they are warmer and better protected from strong winds. Some are red in color, which helps them to absorb more heat from the sun. As the name might suggest, the bearberry below is a favorite food of bears. Many trees survive in cold climates by having needle-like leaves that help hold in water and do not easily freeze. Needles also don't hold much snow, which can weigh down the tree and break branches. Plants that grow in locations with poor soil or soil that lacks nitrogen have adapted by becoming carnivorous. They actually have the ability to ingest insects. That helps by allowing them to get the nitrogen that they need. And actually, a lot of these plants you can actually find on the coast of North Carolina, like the Venus flytrap as well as the pitcher plant. So it's pretty cool to see how they've adapted and changed. Here we have a couple of assignment options to go with this week's science video. The first being, what is something you learned about plant adaptations? Write a few sentences to tell the new information you learned. Or you can research one of the carnivorous plants, a plant that eats animals essentially, and then share this information with your teacher. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video and learned a little bit about some plant adaptations, and we would love to see what you've learned or any kind of research that you choose to do about the carnivorous plants. Okay, bye.